Hello, so I'm here with another question. So let's get started on the question. And the question is, if anyone can read it clearly, it's does Google Ads still convert? Okay, I think it needs a correction as well, but pattern for someone who did it. Okay, does Google Ads still convert? I'm having a problem. My wife ran her tarot crystal shop. She can't seem to get any leads after spending $500 on Google Ads. We got zero calls in return, but about 200 impressions. I understand this could be a website problem, but my website is pretty basic and has a number on it. I'm starting to think it was boots. Ali, do you have any idea on how to advertise a local psychic business? Okay, so for anyone running a business like similar to this, I think that website is a place where your user is going to land. So my opinion is spend all your money on it first. Why? Because you are paying money to land visitors on your website, and if your website experience is not good, there is a not something productive you are doing. So my opinion is spend most of your money on it. So after spending your majority money on it, my second bet would be is to focus on your analytical and tracking strategies. Okay. By analytical and tracking strategies means that your conversion tracking is set up on your website. Conversion tracking is set up or not. So this is the most another important thing. Apart from this, analytical tracking helps you to analyze if there are any fraud clicks or anything bad happening on your website. So we can measure their behavior through the IP address. So there are multiple tools available for IP tracking as well, or for anti-fraud clicks. So I think that this can help you in optimizing if there were any boots who were landing on your website. Apart from this, for local businesses, I recommend to learn local service ads, and that is another product by Google, but that is slightly different. And you may see this is through the local service ads you may see over here. Also, that is also being run by Google Ads, but local service ads are slightly different, and they show you reviews, and so they are good. In my opinion, for local businesses, I recommend to run local service ads. Also, another thing is I also recommend doing ad optimization. For instance, now this is a simple ad. So I have been repeatedly saying in my other lectures as well. If I add different ad assets to my ad, you may see around how optimized my ad has become. Let me move myself over here. You'll see around over here. So, things like this can help you in optimizing and getting more sales for your ads. So my next suggestion was for run local service ads, and then optimize ad assets, and this can also help you in generating sales. Apart from this, location targeting, optimizing your campaign structure, working on your quality score, search terms, all of these can help you in getting more sales. But this is a generic idea I have seen. But again, $500 is a less amount to spend on. And yes, Google Ads still convert. So I have not answered the question like, does Google Ads still convert? Yes, it do convert. But you need right marketing, right strategy, right planning to come up, which is why I'm here with our service. So in case anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit, setup, or management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are a professional Google Ads partner company, and we would love to work with you. And for anyone who wants to work with me and my team, you can hire us through the link in the description. And I hope this answers the question. Yes, Google Ads do convert for local psychic business, but needs optimization, audit, and definitely a lot on strategy and tracking. Yeah, thank you and good luck.